Guys, just kind of continuing off from the last class. So we're going to come out and we're going to start playing with this cross collar grip. Okay, so when we come through from a seated guard and we start inserting that hand nice and deep in our training partner's collar. Okay, now if your training partner gets a feeling that you want to go in and get cross collar grips, okay, what they'll often do is they'll start to put a leg up. Okay, they'll start stepping up to a leg like this. Okay. When we see that our training partner steps up to a leg, we have two very good options. We have the option to just slide in with our 2 feet, and from here, we just grab a hold of our training partner's leg, we elevate it through, and we enter into his leg. That's one good option, and now we can start playing guard from this position. Again, there's a whole bunch of different things we can do from here. The other good option that will work, the very simple one, is that the second he posts the leg up, we just come up to our knees, and we just grab his ankle. And the second we grab the ankle, we just pull it in the same direction that his toes point, and then now from here we drive the knee through, and once we drive the knee through, we just let the leg drop down to the floor and we step over into this position. Now he'll probably go in and start catching your ankle. Okay? The second he catches the ankle, we just take our hand over the top, we insert our 4 fingers into the collar. We pull our elbows in tight, and then now from here we can hit that same move that we saw in the previous class, only from top position, and we go through and we finish. We want to go in and get to our strangle from here, but he posts the leg up and he makes it hard for us to put the head down. So we come out, we grab the knee, we put our 2 feet inside, we enter into our training partner's legs. That's the first one. So 2 moves in one. The second one, we come out, we get that cross collar grip, he posts the leg up, we just come up to our knees and we pick the ankle. We drive the knee through down to the hip and we just glide over that leg. Now from here, our 4 fingers come inside and we just slide our hand in. Elbows come together, forehead comes down to the mat, and then from here, we finish on top with an easy string. All right, let's give it a shot. Ankle, good. Pull it in the same direction the toes point, and push with the right hand. Good. Now drive your right knee to the center. Good. And step over. Good. Now you're here. This is we have our training partner on 2 knees. We grab the collar, open the collar, and then we go cross collar, he posts the leg up, we just pull everything towards us, we grab his calf, we slide in, and we lock up. Now from here, I grab pants. Okay, so everything's the same as before up until now. I keep that deep collar grip, okay, so I can keep his head down. When he goes to pull the head away, it's tough. I grab the pants in the meantime, and we just take this foot and we place it inside of his thigh. Now I push with both my feet and use the momentum, stand out, push with your feet. Take the foot up off the floor, we're both going to get it together. We circle 1, 2, and I place his foot right between my legs. Now my knee drops down to the floor, and we're in that exact same position with our 4 fingers, and we slide them nice and deep. We pull him in towards us first. Now from here, we place our forehead down on the mat, we go to move around here, up, we straighten our neck. Pull everything in until we get to our finish. All right, let's try it out. Circle 1, good, and 2, beautiful. Good. Now slide them through. Good. Now from here, just cross collar grip. Try to connect your hands to the back of his head. You're not going to touch, but just get them close. And then now from here, the elbows come in tight. Bring your forehead close on that, and squeeze it.
Hold it to you. Head on the mat. No, torque your wrist. You're fine. Put some more pressure. You're fine.
Yeah. So this time, our partner stands up all the way to 2 feet. So we saw what to do when he stands up to 1 foot. Now let's look at what we're going to do when he stands up to 2 feet. 2 feet. Good. And now from here, he's gonna probably start looking to walk backwards, okay? The second we see this, that our partner stands up to 2 feet, again, we keep this collar grip, okay? And now from here, we just come up to our knees, and then once again, we can come in and start grabbing the ankle, okay? And we can start knocking our training partner down and sliding through for that same exact move, coming in, or he stands up to 2 feet, starts walking backwards, we can just come in and we can snag that pant grip, okay? We can grab this. And now we just come up and we pick up the leg. And now we're in that exact same scenario. And we circle 1, we circle 2, and then now from here, we're in good position, start sliding through with both those moves, either ankle pick and we slide the knee through, and then we come in, or we come up and we grab the pants, and we come up on top. So from here, we play that same game, opening the collar up and grabbing the collar. We're looking to pull this guy in, we're looking to attack strangles, etc., etc. He stands up to 2 feet this time. From here, ankle pick and slide through. When we hit the ankle pick, it's very important that we pull the foot in the same direction that his toes are pointing. So we don't try to pull the foot across, just unweight really. We don't try to pull it this way, we just pull it straight through. And we want his head above the foot that I'm looking to pick. So I pick and I push the head in that same direction. So I pull and I push, and as I come up, watch my knee, comes right in the middle. So we come up with the knee coming straight through. Now we just coast over this leg, slide that hand through, and we come in and we finish. The second one is if we can't get to the ankle, we just come up, he goes to walk backwards, we just come up with the pants, and we just pick the pants up off the floor. And then now from here, we can start circling this guy down to the floor, and we're right back in that same position. Okay, shut it out. Pull first, and now put your forehead on the mat. Thank you. Like this. Yeah. More and right, with my hands either. Now when I roll my wrist, that's when I get a strangle. Okay, if I'm down here, I can squeeze all I want, but I'm not getting a strangle. I can play with the elbows. Yeah, nothing's gonna happen. So I fight, I guess my hands stay. Yeah. You get on the jaw, it's just uncomfortable. You're not finishing it. And now we'll just do a little creativity drill where the top person is going to present a different stance. Sometimes you'll stay on 2 knees, sometimes you'll post your leg up, sometimes you'll stand up to 2 feet. And you'll just go in and you'll hit whatever comes first to your mind, whatever comes naturally. Okay, sometimes you pick the ankle, you put them down, and you finish. Okay, sometimes you grab the pants, you come up and you finish. Sometimes you pull them in Dashigrami, and then you come up and you finish, depending on what your training partner presents to you. Okay, it doesn't have to be one of the moves that I showed. It could be something that you like to do from those positions. And then it's just alternate top to bottom amongst yourselves. So one person does a couple, the other person does a couple, and you guys keep going back and forth. All right, let's try it out. Pops up, you come up to your knees, he starts walking backwards. Now you aim for the straight ankle pick, he steps out. So as you're going forward, he steps out. Just go cross now. You go 1, 2. Drew. The second you put him down, just come up with the knee. Good. Switch your legs back. Pick the ankle. Yes, good, right away. It's the starting position, but you guys will, whatever happens, just keep rolling until there's a submission, and then you switch top to bottom. All right. So first round will be mounted position, but it's an open round. Start throwing hooks in here, even. There you go. That's good. Put the hooks in. Good. Time, guys. Good training, everyone. Yep. Good. And now just turn him to his back. Flip him over. Good. Side control, side control. Side control. Good. And then just pin him here. Okay, so let's do that again. Nice, that's it. Good. I saw you trying to peel the hand off, but you can just turn them. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Good job today.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, mind if we get a picture?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, for sure.
Cool, thank you. Hey, camera. Want to get a picture so we can follow? Look on. There you go.
They're smiling. So you can definitely take the foot off like this. Like that. Good. But if you take it off like that, take it off. When you can pommel the X guard, so take your left foot and bring it between his legs. So, but if you control it the other way, it's a little bit harder for him to do that. You can't move his foot. You hold it, you your bellow, let him control it. Now it gives you time to start stripping that leg off. You're going to start stepping in close. One. Good. 4 circles north south. You can do that, or you can grab the ankles and go north south. Good. 4. Good. Now circle north south. Put your head in the belly button.